Find a particular solution satisfying the given given condition. Dy upon dx is equals to y tan x, y is equals to 1 and x is equals to 0. So now we have dy by dx is equals to y tan x. Simply we put dx on the right hand side and y on the left hand side. So integration of 1 upon y dy is equals to integration of tan x dx. Okay, 1 upon y will be log y and integration of tan x is log sec x. Okay, and plus c, for plus c we have written log k. Okay, so using the property of log we have y is equals to k sec x. Now we put y is equals to 1 and x is equals to 0. So 1 is equals to k into sec 0. Okay, so we know that sec 0 is 1, right? So k is equals to 1. Putting the value of k, y is equals to sec x.